Welcome to this educational lecture on Agile product development and iterative delivery. In this video, we will explore the principles and benefits of Agile methodologies in product development. Agile product development focuses on a customer-centric approach and adaptability to changing requirements. Agile teams work closely with customers and adapt their products based on feedback. Collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement are the core values of Agile product development. By embracing these values, Agile teams deliver customer-centric products that meet evolving needs. Iterative delivery breaks down the development process into smaller, incremental cycles. Each iteration delivers a valuable product increment, allowing for quicker feedback and course correction. By breaking down the development process, Agile teams can adapt to changing requirements and ensure the final product meets customer expectations. Iterative delivery enables continuous improvement and faster time to market. Agile practices like Scrum and Kanban facilitate collaboration and transparency within development teams. These frameworks enable efficient task management and visual progress tracking. In conclusion, Agile product development and iterative delivery play a significant role in driving product success. They enable faster adaptation, customer centricity, and continuous improvement.